Cash App, with over 50 million active users as of 2024, allows you to link multiple bank accounts. However, only one can serve as your primary account for automatic transfers. Today, we'll walk through the complete process of changing your bank account. First, let's cover how to add a new bank account to your Cash App. This process involves 5 main steps that we'll go through one by one. Step 1. Open your Cash App and tap on your profile icon. This is typically located in the top corner of your screen and will take you to your account settings. Step 2. In your profile menu, look for and select Linked Accounts or Banks and Cards. This section manages all your connected financial accounts. Step 3. Tap on Link Bank or Add Bank to begin the process of connecting a new bank account to your Cash App. Step 4. Enter your bank's routing number and your account number. You can type these manually or use your phone's camera to scan them from a check or bank statement. Step 5. Verify your account through either micro deposits, which take 1 to 3 business days, or instant verification if your bank supports it. This ensures the account belongs to you. Now let's cover how to remove an old bank account. This is a simpler process with 4 steps, but requires careful consideration. Step 1. Navigate back to your Linked Accounts section, where you can see all your connected bank accounts. Step 2. Select the specific bank account you want to remove from your list of linked accounts. Step 3. Tap on Unlink or Remove button. This button is usually clearly marked and may be colored differently to indicate it's a removal action. Step 4. Confirm the action when prompted. Cash App will ask you to verify that you really want to remove this account to prevent accidental deletions. Before removing any bank account, make sure you have another funding source linked to your Cash App. This prevents any interruption in your ability to add money or make transactions. Your Cash App balance and any other linked accounts will continue to work normally. Cash App employs multiple layers of security to protect your financial information, but your vigilance as a user is equally important for maintaining account safety. Cash App uses bank-level encryption to protect all your account information and employs real-time fraud monitoring systems powered by artificial intelligence. Always use secure networks when managing your bank account information. Avoid public Wi-Fi for financial transactions and stick to trusted cellular or home networks. Double-check all routing and account numbers before submitting them. Enable notifications for account changes and transactions, and always keep your Cash App updated. Financial security experts report that 78% of payment app security breaches result from user error rather than platform vulnerabilities. Proper account management can reduce your fraud risk by up to 65%. If you encounter verification delays or unsupported banks, first verify your bank information with your financial institution. Ensure sufficient funds for microdeposit verification and contact Cash App support for persistent issues. Remember, while Cash App provides robust security infrastructure, your personal security practices are the most important factor in protecting your financial information. Stay vigilant, follow best practices, and keep your app updated.